We'll begin at 5 with a startling increase in daily new coronavirus cases, 6,940 over the past 24 hours. That is more than 900 cases, an increase of more than 900 cases than we saw yesterday. The number of new deaths also sadly up from yesterday. 45 more Michiganders have now lost their lives to COVID over this past day. And at a briefing late this afternoon, the governor made it clear the numbers are headed in the wrong direction and quickly, and the time for us to take action is now.
She stopped just short of issuing any new restrictions. Our Mara McDonald joins us live. Mara, the governor says only the people in your household should be at your table for Thanksgiving.
She really addressed that off the top, Kimberly, because Thanksgiving is, upon us in like 2 weeks. And she said this: Thanksgiving not just should look different this year, it has to look different this year. And what that means is that if this person does not live in your home with you right now, they should not be allowed in your home for Thanksgiving. Let me take you through the rest of it.
Our case numbers are skyrocketing here in Michigan. The curve that we had flattened, right now, this curve is a straight line and it is straight up.
But the governor stopped short of instituting any further restrictions and no mention of lockdown. When asked about why not announce a lockdown today, here was the answer.
I am recognizing that we have got work to do to make sure that the actions we take are really aimed at bringing the spread down.
I know people are tired of living like this, but we really have to double down. This pandemic will eventually end, and we have to do what it takes to avoid as many infections and deaths as possible.
She also had harsh words for the legislature. Michigan already has a mask mandate in place through the health department, but the governor believes having the legislature pass a mask mandate would send a stronger bipartisan message.
I have been asking members of the legislature for some thoughtful partnership here to bring our numbers down. I would encourage you as members of the press to ask if they've got some plans to bring, because I've been asking, and the one great tool that we know makes a difference in terms of a mask mandate, they have taken off the table.
Back here live, one of the other things the governor hit on this afternoon was this: just because you can do something really doesn't mean that you should. And she was using that in reference to shopping trips. For example, choose a designated shopping person in your house and have that person be the one who does all the marketing trips, etc. It's really clear from the comments today that the state is very worried about these cases. They're very worried about community spread. And Devin, Kimberly, I would not be surprised if we saw further restrictions, and soon. We're live downtown tonight. I'm Mara McDonald. Back to you.
Other states are already doing it. All right, Mara.